Alright, so we're getting ready to hop into step 106. And in 106, we're going to do some pretty cool things like we heard about in the overview. So let's go ahead and get our environment ready, make sure we're ready to go. We'll go ahead, we'll start out with our local host, get our console open, do a refresh, make sure we're not throwing any errors in there. All looks good. Do a little page change. Do another page change. Good. All right, no errors. Let's go ahead and make sure that our control panel is open and ready to go. I always like to just refresh that and make sure that I'm good there. Check our GitHub and get ourselves to our GitHub page, and we can see that we're up to branch 105 in there. And if we scroll down, we can see our notes from 105. So looks good as far as GitHub goes. One of the other things we do just because we can, and it's extra, is let's just go ahead and open up our GitHub pages a while too. In our GitHub pages is basically, it's the hosted version of our master branch on GitHub, which is really nice that they give that to us. They provide that for us. So we'll go and check our production site, which looks good. Make sure everything's great out there. I'm going to make sure we're not throwing errors, and we know which errors to pay attention to and which ones not to. And there we go. So that looks great as well. Then we'll go check out the step example, and in this step, as we discussed in the overview, we're replacing the links and general links. If we look at our previous step, we look at these are the links and they go nowhere, and what we're going to do is replace these links down here with links from our WordPress site, so we can manage that from there as well. Awesome. So now that we've done that, let's go ahead and let's check our Dreamweaver and make sure that's up and ready to go for us. And so we want to make sure that we are on the right branch in Dreamweaver. It's just another checkpoint. We can see we're on master. We want to go ahead and check and make sure we're connected to our local and our remote, which we are, which means we're good. All right, finally, we'll go ahead and let's open up our master branch on our 100 and repository, 1xx repository, and let's do a git status. See where we're at. We're good. We're ahead by one commit there just because I had to commit Dreamweaver notes. That's the only reason that's telling us that. So let's make sure all of our branches are in there, and we're up to 105, exactly what we would expect. So with 105, awesome. So at this point, we're ready to go ahead and create our branch. So let's do a git checkout -b, and let's do 106-0. And we have our branch checked out. We're good to go. Take a peek at Dreamweaver real quick. And we can see our branches in there as well. We are ready to get going. I'll see you in the next video.